Say ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Say lion. Roar. You say elephant. Say circle. Square. Triangle. Star. What you guys can't see is that he's playing with this little red box, and on one side of it, it's just the Fisher-Price shape sorter, and on one side of it, there's yes, I see it. There's little drawings of shapes, and every time I say a shape, he points to the correct one, and then there's a giraffe, an elephant, a lion, and a monkey on the other side. And when I say one of the animals, he'll point to the correct animal. He may not be verbal, and he may not be able to communicate in the typical ways, but Bubba is smart, huh? Huh? Where's the star? Good boy. Square. Yes. Triangle. You are so smart. Circle. I love you so much, my handsome. He is the smartest little kid ever. Say hi. Daddy took the girls to the movie, so it's just me and Handsome home alone. Home alone. Jackson and Mama's. You're so smart. Okay, bye.